broad walk.
I'm a medium close-up by it.
Welcome to the Miss Florida USA channel on YouTube. I'm Jessica Rafalowski, Miss Florida USA 2008. We begin our pre-tape season as day number 1 starts at the world-famous Hollywood Beach Broadwalk. Introductions and prize modeling are on the agenda today as we have a special twist on this shoot. We invited our Florida Teen USA delegates to join in on the fun. Well, that's enough chatting. Time to get down to work.
I'm Donna Snow, Miss Sarasota USA.
I'm Damaris Acker, Miss Rainforest USA. Hello, my name is Anastasia Pavlenko, Miss Florida West Coast USA.
Representing Lakeland, I'm Alexandra Blythe-Watkins.
Representing Florida's capital city, I am Vida Sheffield.
Representing the beautiful city of Miami, I am Alexandra Montesino.
Do this. That feels good. She was putting this on my head and it felt really good. Just keep doing it. It feels good.
You turn to me on 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Ready. Let's go again. Nice.
As a young girl, with your mother on a sandy lawn.
Okay, ladies, I'm sorry. I need everybody.
Representing North Central Florida, I am Catherine Green. Hi, I'm Christy Knowles and I represent the city of Lakeland. Hi, I'm Kendra Altrier and I'm representing Fort Myers. Hi, I'm Nikki Clark representing Cape Coral.
Hi, my name is Mary Kathleen Barber, and I am Miss Okeechobee County Teen USA.
That's not gardenias.
Is that what they're called? I think so.
How do you know that?
I want to keep mine.
Those smell good. Gardenias smell good, right? Yeah, they're yummy. Or not really yummy, they just smell good. I know. Oh, I'm sorry, were we doing that?
Jewelry by Bijou Turner.
Jewelry by Bijou Turner.
Do you like? Yeah, I know you're jealous. You want some, Esteban. You know you want to wear it.
Your shoulders more towards me. Because we're trying to show off your neck.
That's it.
Yeah, there you go. So you actually kind of turn. So look this way. There you go. Bingo. Okay.
My hair popped over there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, Julie.
Side. You should get that. That's hot. And I'm like, yay, I have a new swimsuit. I know, I'm so excited. Isn't it hot? As the sun sets on the water, it's time to call day number 1 a success. But we'll greet the sun as it rises in less than 12 hours. Saturday has an early morning for the ladies at Arts Park. God, I love show business. For the Miss Florida USA channel, I'm Jessica Rafalowski, Miss Florida USA 2008.
On the count of 3, yay team! 1, 2, 3, yay team! Yay!
Miss Florida USA is all about the internet.
Starting with updates 3 times a week on MissFloridaUSA.com, all you need to know about your favorite pageant is right here. Then join the online video revolution with our Miss Florida USA YouTube channel. Now you can go behind the scenes like never before. Then become our friend on MySpace. We have exclusive reports and blogs every week. Join the online video revolution at MissFloridaUSA.com.